Hi students, today let us solve questions from complex numbers which was asked in Keam 2020. Okay, 7 questions were asked. Okay, let's go to the questions. The first question, let us assume that the given complex number is z, which is equal to e raised to 3 plus 4i into x. So we simplify it. We are getting e raised to 3x into e raised to 4xi. Now, Euler's theorem. What is it? E raised to I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So we are using Euler's theorem to find out the real part of the given complex number. We are simplifying it. So we are getting e raised to 3x into e raised to 4xi is cos 4x plus I sin 4x. So what is the real part? Real part is very easy. Real part of z is equal to e raised to 3x into cos 4x. So where it is coming? It is coming as option C. Okay, so a very simple question. Now let's go to the next question. What is it? It is given that z is equal to x minus iy. Another equation is given, z raised to 1 by 3 is equal to p plus iq. Okay. So we have to find out the value of the given expression. Okay, let us simplify this. Instead of z, I am writing x minus iy. So this is nothing but x minus iy whole raised to 1 by 3 equal to p plus iq, sorry, equal to p plus iq. So we are cubing both sides because we are to find out the values of x and y in terms of p and q. So when we cube it, left side we have got x minus iy. So we are cubing the RHS. So RHS for cubing. So I am using the formula a plus b whole cube. So which is pq plus 3p squared into qi plus 3p into qi squared plus qi the whole cube. Now for simplifying, we are using the results. I squared is equal to minus 1 and I cube is equal to minus I. Okay. So wherever I squared is there, I am putting minus 1. So we are getting p cube. Next 3p squared qi. Now here I squared is appearing. So we are writing as minus 3p q squared. Now minus q cube. So I am grouping real part. So it is p cube, then minus 3p q squared. And imaginary part, it is 3p squared q minus q cube. So by equating real and imaginary part, what we are getting? Therefore, x is equal to p cube minus 3p q squared. So we can take what? P as a common factor. So p into p squared minus 3q squared. Similarly, minus y is equal to 3p squared q minus q cube, which implies y is equal to, so minus q cube, minus, it is q cube only. So here you have got q cube. So I am multiplying both sides by minus 1. So we are getting q cubed minus 3p squared. So here I can take q as a common factor. Q into q squared minus 3p squared. So we are substituting for x and y in the given expression. What is the given expression? 1 by p squared plus q squared into x by p plus y by q. So now it is very easy. 1 by p squared plus q squared. 1 by p squared plus q squared into, I am replacing x by, what is it, x? P into p squared minus 3q squared, the whole divided by p plus y is q into q squared minus 3p squared, the whole divided by q. So now simplification, p is getting cancelled, q is getting cancelled. So I am simplifying the numerator. So we are getting 1 by p squared plus q squared into p squared minus 3p squared minus 2p squared minus 2q squared. So it is minus 2 into p squared plus q squared. So p squared plus q squared is getting cancelled. So answer for the question is minus 2. Simplification, little time consuming. Be careful because we are wasting time on simplification. If you waste more time on simplification, okay, then we will be in trouble. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, it's rather easy provided you know the result. What result? Result. Okay. Now, if what is it? Mod z minus z1 is equal to a. Definitely a must be positive. Then what is locus of z? Locus of z is a circle. Okay. Where is the center of the circle? Center of the circle is at z1. What is the radius? The radius of the circle, very simple, is equal to a. Okay. So let us express the given equation in this form. What is given here? Z plus I is equal to 2. Modulus Z plus I is equal to 2. This we can write as modulus Z minus I is equal to 2. So, therefore, center minus I, corresponding point is 0, minus 1. Radius is equal to 4. So, answer is what? Option A. 0, minus 1, center, and radius 2. Okay. Now, let's go to the fourth question. It's very easy. Okay. 1 by modulus of 1 by z1 plus 1 by z2. Okay. You take LCM. So numerator is z1 plus z2. Denominator is z1 into z2. We are using the property. So numerator mod is z1 plus z2. We can separate and take modulus. Denominator mod z1 into mod z2. For division and multiplication, we can separately take the modulus. It's given that numerator is 3, denominator is 2 into 2. Given in the question, so answer is 3 by 4. Very easy. Option is that C. Okay. Now, let's go to the fifth question. Okay. This is also very easy, I think. Okay. 1 plus sine pi. In the numerator, 1 plus sine pi minus I cos pi. In the denominator, 1 plus sine pi, then plus I cos pi. So, put the values of sine pi and cos pi, 1 plus 0 is plus I, because cos pi is minus 1, which is equal, denominator we have got 1 plus 0, so minus I. So 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I, it is a result, is equal to I. Okay. If you multiply with the conjugate of the denominator, you will be getting. But you have to remember that result. Okay. Now, what is a principal argument? So argument of set is equal to, I, where it is coming, is positive y-axis, positive imaginary axis. So argument is pi by 2, or otherwise you can use tan inverse y by x result also, no problem. Okay, so answer is pi by 2, that is appearing as option D. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Very easy. Z1 and Z2 are given. Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i. Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i. Find out Z1 plus Z2. Modulus Z1 plus Z2. You cannot separate it, no. You cannot write mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Very careful. You have to add and find the modulus. So it is 2 plus 3i plus 3 plus 2i. Okay. So this is nothing but modulus 2 plus 3 is 5, then 5i. You know the modulus formula root of x squared, that is 25, plus y squared again 25 is equal to 5 root 2. 5 root 2, that's sense. 5 root 2 is appearing as option C. Very easy question. Okay. And the seventh question, the last one. Z is equal to 10i divided by 1 plus 2i. So multiply numerator and denominator by what? 1 minus 2i, the conjugate of the denominator. So this is rather easy, I think. You have to just simplify it. Numerator, you have got 10i into 1, that is 10. 10i into minus 2i. So you will be getting I squared is nothing but minus 1. So again, you will be getting 10i into minus 2i, that is plus 20, I think. Is it not? Okay. And in the denominator, we have got what? It is 10i. 10i plus 10i into minus 2i. So 10i into minus 2 is minus 20 into I squared is plus 20. Okay. Denominator, we have got 5. S squared plus b squared, x squared plus y squared, whatever it may be. When you divide by 5, you are getting 20 by 5 is 4. Plus 10 by 5 is 2i. So 4 plus 2i, where it is coming? Yeah, option D. So easy question, very easy. Okay, these are the 7 questions which was asked in 2020. Okay, in the next class we will be doing the questions which were asked in 2019, 2018, etc. Okay, thank you. Bye.